In this video session, I am going to explain 8.3 exercise of class 10 CBSE Maths. So in this topic, we are going to learn complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. What we are going to do here, first we draw one right angle triangle. Angle A plus this is the angle B is 90 degrees. So angle B equal to 90 degrees. Write it a triangle ABC. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So that B is 90 already. So angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. Now angle A and angle C are called complementary angles. Sum of two angles is 90. Then the two angles are called complementary angles. So in these complementary angles, we are writing as angle C equal to 90 minus A. So simply we are writing C equal to 90 minus A or A equal to 90 minus C. 90 minus C. You can write like this. Now, if I want sine A, so A means opposite by hypotenuse. So that BC by AC. Cos A, AB by AC. Tan A. Tan A means if you are writing tan A, BC by AB, opposite by adjacent. Cosecant A, cosecant A means AC by BC, hypotenuse by opposite. Secant AC by AB. Tan A, AB, sorry, cot A, AB by BC. So tan A reciprocal is cot A, cos A reciprocal secant A, sin A reciprocal is cosecant A. Like this we are writing. Now we are going to applying this form. Suppose if I am writing sin C, sin C का opposite AB, AB by AC. Next cos C, adjacent, this is C का adjacent is BC by AC. Now come back to this formula. AB by AC. What is AB by AC? Here, sorry. Cos A equal to AB by AC. And here sin C equal to AB by AC. It is nothing but cos A. And cos C, this is sin A. If you write a tan C, tan C means C का opposite AB by BC. So it is nothing, AB by BC means it is nothing but cot A. Same as suppose I am writing secant A. Secant A means AC by AB. Suppose if I am writing secant C means hypotenuse by adjacent BC. AC by BC means it is cosecant A. Cosecant A. Now all this performance we are going to take, suppose I am going to take sin C equal to cos A. What is C here? 90 minus A. So cos C, here I am writing sin C equal to cos A. What is C here? 90 minus A. So sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. Same as, suppose if I am taking cos C equal to sin A, means cos C, C means 90 minus A equal to sin A. But before videos I explained that big chart, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. We can utilize that sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Same problem. So here I am explaining with the help of this triangle, and sin C equal to cos A, so cos C equal to sin A, tan C equal to cos. So in the place of C you write C equal to 90 minus A. This is another method. In previous videos I explained that big chart, that is theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. That chart you can see, you can do like that also. So please see that when the complementary changing of angles, you must understand. For example, I am going to explain like this. Why we are doing this method? Suppose sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees means you can write this is cos 60 equal to cos 60 actually. So how can you write this one? So please see that is, this is C means this is A, 30, 60 for example. So 90 minus, here 90 minus 60. You can write sine 90 minus 60 cos 60. Because sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So 30 converted into 90 minus, see here 90 minus A, na? A means here it's 60. So what is C? 30. Here 30 means it is 60. So how can you write 30? 90 minus 60. So that it is. So when you are going to think about sine, for example, sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees means it is equal to cos 75 because 15 plus 75 is 90. That's why sine 15 degrees is cos 75. Otherwise you can write sine 90 minus 75 equal to cos 75 because sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So sine 15 degrees. So you can rewrite everything. So set the complementary. That means for example simply sine 1 degree is there. So you can write sine cos 89 degrees. Suppose if I am writing sine 40 degrees. So you can write cos 50 degrees. Both are same. You can write it same as tan also, tan 30. So tan 30 means cos 60. Tan 30 means cos 60. Sorry, cot 60. Tan 30 is 30 degrees equal to cot 30 degrees, cot 60 degrees. So reciprocals you can write it. In this video session I am going to explain 8.3 exercise class 10 CBSE. The first question is evaluate, that is 1 sin 18 by, first question is sin 18 by cos 72, tan 26 by cos 64, cot 64, cos 48 minus sin 42. Another question is there, that is cosecant 31 minus secant 51. In previous session we learned that sin 90 minus a equal to cos a, cos 90 minus a equal to sin a, tan 90 minus a equal to cot a, cot 90 minus a equal to tan a. This one we learn, and remaining also cosecant, secant also there. Now any one angle you write as A. Suppose I am taking 18 is A, so you convert this 72 in the form of A. So here sin A, otherwise this is 18 by, in this cos you write 90 minus, this is A, 90 minus A, na? So you are right, change this cos 90 minus A as a sin A. So 70 in the place of A, here you write 18, 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A means sin A. So sin 18 by sin 18. So both are cancelled, it is 1. Once again, here 18 is a. So you write this 72 complementary like this, 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18. So cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So these two are cancelled. Same as if I am taking A is a 64. So you write tan 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 means 26 by cot 64. So this is tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So cot 64 by cot 64. These two are cancelled 1. So you take any one angle. This one, if we are taking A, so this one is 90 minus A. If you take this one is A, 90 minus A. This one is A means this is 90 minus A. You can rechange. Suppose if I am taking 72 is A, so you rewrite sin 90 minus 72, sin 90 minus A by, this is cos 72. So sin 90 minus theta, cos 72, because sin 90 minus A, cos A. So this is cos 72. These two are cancelled 1. either this method or you method. Both are same, but here what you are taking, either one only you are taking, only 1 point. That is, here A means this is 90 minus A. This is A means this is 90 minus A. Only one you are going to change. Here also same. If I am going to change this part, so don't touch this one. So cos 48. So 48 ka complement is 42. So that sin 90 minus 48. A 90 minus A. So 90 minus 48 means 42. That's why. So this is cos sin 90 minus 48 means cos 48 minus cos 48. So 0. This is the 0. In fourth question, cosecant 31 minus secant 59. Cosecant either this one or this one. So I am going to take, this is the A. So this one is 90 minus A. So cosecant 90 minus 59, because A is the 59 minus secant 59. So cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equals secant. So here secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So both are same. So 0 answer. 0 is the answer. In this second question, show that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 equal to all of my products that equal to 1. So please check it out that 48 and 42 complementary, both are complementaries, these two, and 23 and 67 are, because both are, if you are adding 90. So rewrite this one, tan 48, tan 42, tan 23 degrees into tan 67. So you rewrite any one, this if it is A means this is 90 minus A. So you rechange these two. So tan 90 minus 42 into tan 42. Either one only you are going to change. Here also tan 23 degrees into tan 90 minus 23. So once again, tan 48 and 42, these two are complementary angles, because 48 plus 42 is 90. 23, 67 are complementary. So I am going to take 42 is A. So this one is 90 minus A. So A. This one is A. I wrote this one is 90 minus A. So this is cot 42 into tan 42. Tan 23 into cot 23. Because tan 90 minus A, cot A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. So cot A. A, this one is the A. Okay. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So you can write 1 by tan 42 into tan 42 into tan 23 into 1 by tan 23. So these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. So 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. So like this, next question also same. In this question, cos 38, cos 52, sin 38, sin 52. So this one is A means this is 90 minus A, because these two are complementary. 38 and 52, if I add 90 will come. So cos, this one is 90 minus 52, you can rewrite 90 minus 38 as a 90, because 90 minus 52, 38. So 90 minus 52, cos 52 minus sin, you can write 90 minus 52, sin 52. Now this one is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means sin theta, sin 52. Cos 52. And this one is minus sin 90 minus theta, cos 52 minus sin 52. All are same. So these two are cancelled, 0 will come. In this third question, if tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, when 2a is an acute angle, so he is defined as the 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of angle A, value of A. So given, what they are given, tan 2a equal to cot a minus 80. This is the given. Suppose if you write this is in the form of cot, it is very easy to do. So please see this one, how can we write cot? So tan theta means cot 90 minus theta. So this is the theta. So how can we write this one? Cot 90 minus 2a. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot a minus 80. So remove cot on cotangent, otherwise on both sides. Don't cancel. Okay, so 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 80. After removing cot, 90 minus 2a equal to a. So interchange or transposing. So 2a plus a, this 2a goes to here, a plus 2a. This 18 come here. So 90 plus 80. 90 plus 8. So 3a equal to 108. So a equal to 108 by 3. So a equal to 36 degrees. So a value is 36 degrees. Like this we are going to do. So tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18. So this tan don't change because a minus 18 is there. Some people are writing that 90 minus of this person. So it is a lengthy. So 90 minus of a minus 18. So 90 minus a plus 18 will come. So 2a equal to a plus, like this it will also. So we can do it, sir. Here suppose if I am writing tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, for example. So tan 2a equal to cot 90 minus, tan 90, because cot theta means tan 90 minus theta. So 90 minus of a minus 80. 90 minus of a minus 80. So this is the lengthy actually. Removing tan, so it is easy. So here what we are going to do like this. After removing of tan. So a will come here, 90 plus 18. So 3a equal to 108. So some people are confused about this 90 minus. So it should be in brackets. If you are not putting in brackets, little bit of problem. That's why no, I am not touching this method. If you are vigorous practice or some practice, more practice, you can understand. Otherwise, simply you can do like this. Change this tan only. So 90 minus 2a and cot 90 minus 2a. Here cot will be changed into tan. Here tan will be changed into cot. So in this method, you can do it this method also. If you have lot of practice, you can understand, sir. Because only here only we are going to making mistakes. If you are not putting bracket, the total entire thing will be that meaning will be changed. Okay. In this question, tan a equal to cot b. Prove that a plus b equal to 90. With the help of triangle also we can prove that. But here we are using complementary angles. So that given tan a equal to cot b, we are removing these ratios. So either tan or cot will be removed. First we are going to change into other formation. That is, if suppose I am writing tan a equal to cot b, can be written in the form of 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So the tan 90 minus b, cot b. So now remove tan on both sides. So that a equal to 90 minus b. B will come here. A plus transposing of b here. So let's say a plus b equal to 90. This is the proof. So tan a equal to cot b. Tan a equal to tan 90 minus b. Changing of cot into tans. So removing tan on both sides. A equal to 90 minus b. A plus b equal to 90 degrees. In question number 5, secant 4a equal to cosecant a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. So in this solution, given secant 4a equal to cosecant a minus 20. Please remember that this is a minus 20. You can change this one or this one, either one, but it is singular, that's why we can touch this one. So secant theta is written in the cosecant 90 minus theta. Secant theta is in the, we are writing in the form of cosecant 90 minus theta. So cosecant, this is normal, either this one or this one you can change. So what happened here, remove cosecant on both sides, or cosecant ratio. So 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20, that is transposing 4a plus a equal to 90 plus 20. So 5a equal to 110. So a equal to 110 by 5. So a equal to 55 degrees. A equal to 55 degrees. Like this we can conclude. So, but we must remember one thing, either this one or this one will be changed. Only one person only. Don't change both, okay, at a time. So either secant or cosecant converts, suppose secant converts into cosecant or cosecant converts into secant. Suppose if I am going to take cosecant secant 4a equal to cosecant a minus 20. Suppose I am going to change cosecant into secant. See, secant 4a equal to cosecant theta. You can write secant 90 minus theta. 90 minus, this is entire part is theta. So write in the brackets a minus 20. Like this. 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, that is cosecant theta. Theta is a minus 20. So remove normal, next one is remove secant on secant ratio on both sides. Already I told don't cancel. 4a equal to 90 minus a minus 20. Now see this, open the brackets, that inside signs will be changed. Minus a plus 20. Now a will come here, 4a plus a, 90 plus 20, 110. So 5a equal to 110. So a equal to 110 by 5. That is 22 degrees. In this sixth question, if ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. So interior angles of triangle ABC means just you write like this, ABC. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. So this A will be go here. So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 minus angle A, because in that answer A by 2 is there. So divided by 2 on both sides. So angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to 180 minus angle A by 2. That is angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to 180 by 2 minus angle A by 2. Now angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. 90 minus angle A by 2. So apply sine ratio, sine on both sides, because sine is there here. So sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2, otherwise A angle A by 2. Here sine B plus C by 2, sine 90 minus theta, cos theta, so A by 2. If you are going to introduce this tan here, so apply tan on both sides. So tan b plus c by t equal to tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, that is tan cot a by 2 will come. In this last 7th question, express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. So we are going to, this 67 converts into less than 45, 75 also less than 45. So we are taking that complementary of these two, we can reduce and we can write in the form of 0 to 45. So first of all, sin 67 degrees cos 75 degrees. So sin 60, here 67 degrees also there, here 75 degrees also. So 67 complementary is, what is the complementary of 67? You think that is sin 90 minus 23 plus sin 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 is 67. Cos 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. 90 minus 15 is 75. So sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So here what question is, sin 67 cos 75 in the terms of ratio, trigonometric ratio, angles between 0 to 45. In this between only we are going to write 67 converts into less than, that is 0 to 45, that is 23, and 75 in between, so 15. So while you are taking these parts, think about this complementaries. 67 ka complementary 23, 75 ka complementary is 15. So this is cos 23 and this is sin 15 degrees. Okay, thank you.